Hello guys, today I'm going to show you tutorial cover for my planner using Faber Castle watercolor pencil. So let's get started. I start by sketching my design. I draw a big cup of coffee and the word of May in the middle. For the outline, I use Faber Castle gel pen 0.5. For this step, I make it more detailed, like I draw a straw and ice to make it more real. Now it's time to color. Yeah, I use Faber Castle watercolor pencil. I really love this color pencil because it is easy and make my drawing more real. I mix two tones of color for the cup. So it's like more, have shading, something like that. I use brown and the other one is like black brown, like more brown now. I use silver color for the straw. Now time to apply water to the color. You can use any brush you like. Then I use yellow mustard for this part. For the last part, you just need to touch up and put some decoration. Now it's done.